Hello there, Dan, the Clonedale Libertarian. I just got my Tuttle Twins purchase in the mail. Ta-da! So the bonus was a the Skip College book edited by Connor Boyack, who is the I guess founder or the creator of the Tuttle Twin series, and this is about the subtitle is Launch Your Career Without Debt, Distractions, or a Degree. And we, the libertarians anyway, have been listening to people with alternative ideas to getting jobs, getting education, getting informed about your thing. Trade schools, vocational schools. Mike Rowe has been talking for some while about a huge glut, no, wrong word, a need, big need for tradespeople. So, yeah, big 4-year degree is fancy, but what can you do with it? So, if the goal is to have a job, earn an income, and not pay debt to somebody, a bank, for the degree, then there are alternatives to that. And so this is going to be, I'm going to read it and find out what those are. So the reason I bought this was for the Tuttle Twin series. So this is, obviously you can read The Law, which is so what the books are, not necessarily rewritten, but the main theme of the story is retold as a little bit of a learning experience by or from or with the twins. So there is also the pencil, which is about so the pencil is the amazing how all of the powers, how the forces necessary to make a pencil. So you have paint and rubber and metal and wood and graphite and all of the expertise needed to work with that particular thing to make it in the right shape from all around the world come together to make, I don't have one, to make a pencil. I mean, really, you couldn't do it if you wanted to. So it's kind of impressive how all of these forces work together, all of these skills come together to make a pencil or a pen, or the sort of famous one is the ham sandwich. So the Creature from Jekyll Island. Now this one's kind of cute. I listened to the audiobook, which was part of the bonus, and they're focusing on the creature, which is probably right. So that's about money. Food truck fiasco. That's kind of interesting to me, being a cook. I'm curious to see about that. The Road to Serfdom, which, let's see what they say. Yeah, government officials making decisions for us. Well, because, of course, someone driving a desk knows better for you than you. The Golden Rule. Sorry about this. The Search for Atlas. That's kind of fun. Show business. So, work safety. The Fate of the Future. It's going to be about. Oh, so that is the retelling of Rothbard's Anatomy of the State, sorry, which isn't really much bigger than that. And Rothbard does a really good job of getting right to the matter. And he doesn't pull any punches. And if you haven't read it, it's worth picking up. You can probably get it for free at Mises.com, Mises.org. It's going to change the way you think about, well, government, which it's intended to do, and you should read that book. And then lastly, Education Vacation, which is the fairly recently, I think, deceased John Taylor Gatto, and now I haven't read his work. I didn't really hear about him until he died, and lots of people were talking about him, so he seems very much not like like the John Deweys, and so the opposite of that. But that's an uninformed observation. So anyway, so these came as my close the box as my shaky table as my Black Friday purchase. The Black Friday deal is over because Black Friday is over, but you can still go to the website, which I will put down there someplace, for my affiliate link deal, at least to purchase them. And I think so there's still opportunities, and check the website to make sure that you see what's right, what I'm getting wrong. But you can get PDFs for workbooks that go with each one of these. There's audio versions of these. You can get I'm going to misspeak this, but I think that there's like a teacher kit or something that to add to the educational experience. There's a lot of other resources than just the books, but the books are there too. And I don't have them yet, but there's a new series for like teenagers. So these are intended for, say, 4 to 11, but even adults can read them because there's probably things that I think probably most adults don't know what money is. And to prove this point to my 12-year-old, we were at the bank, and I asked the bank teller, "What's money?" Well, she got it as wrong as could possibly be, but I wasn't surprised. I didn't expect her to get it right, and she didn't. So the people who handle it every day have no idea what money is. They think that the green pieces of paper is money. It's not. But what is it? And why isn't that money? And then what do we do? So anyway, I just wanted to show you my fun haul, and this Christmas for the kids and Christmas for me, and some reading and some just learning about things that their school's not going to teach them. And I know they don't because I ask every day. So the first question is, how were you nice today? Second question is, what did you learn? And it's always something wrong. But I expect that, now I can fix it. So head over to the link below, hit link, we'll hit that, and hit subscribe and ring the bell, ding, 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 and get yourself started with your kids or yourself on filling in the gaps that you didn't know existed. And the Tuttle Twins is a great way to do that. Hey, hello again. Ha, tricked you. Surprise. I realized that I didn't show you the inside. So because these are kids' books, are intended for kids, the information's for everybody. They are good illustrations. Oops, sorry about that. Springy. Decent size font. Good spacing, so it's easy for young eyes and new readers to read the words. It's not like trying to read a little teeny paperback of a trademark. It's like, what the heck is this? So easy stuff to read. That's part of the important thing, is that they can get to it. They can get to it by reaching it, and it's it's good content, easily accessible, and something that they can read and enjoy because they can read it. I think this is it. Bye.